Hi! Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, and you came to get your brain food, baby. In this video, how to get started on YouTube. Okay, I'm giving you the trips, the tips, and the trade that y'all need when you're starting online. Okay, so make sure you grab your pen, your paper, and your attention, because we're gonna drive deep into this here. Okay, so first things first, I got my notes down here. I want to make sure I go over everything with you guys. So see, you've been glancing like this, it's because I'm making sure that I'm talking to you. Okay, so what this is going to be about today is basically ultimately when you're building your YouTube page, how it is that you can get paid money to do that. Okay, I've been able to I don't want to tell you a whole lot about my results because they're not going to be your results, because I'm not you and you aren't me. Okay, all I can tell you is that doing my YouTube channel, I go to sleep slightly with a smile. I wake up refreshed. I'm eager to create more, and I just enjoy the process so much more than waking up and going to my job that I have right now. And not to say that what I'm doing right now isn't good. I do own a traditional business 50-50, but I'm doing sales, and it takes 12 hours of my day every day just to generate sales, because I have to do it face-to-face in traditional way, right? That's why the online game is so much better, so much greater. Okay, so what do I need to get started, okay, with the YouTube page? You need a cell phone with a camera, and you need your smiling face. Okay, that's literally all it takes really to implement and take action and create a YouTube page. All right, I'm gonna make this very simple for you guys, because we try to overthink and make things complicated so we don't take action, and that's probably what you've been doing up until this point. Okay, I'm here to stop that procrastination, and it's time to take action. Okay, the only ability you have in life, the only power we have in life, is our ability to act. If we just sit here and take in things, knowledge is only potential power. Okay, you can't be a forever student. All right, it's going to hinder you. You've got to be an action taker, go getter, and that's basically what you are. You wouldn't be on this video right now, would you now? Okay, so what do I need to get started? You need your camera on your phone, and you need a smiling face. Okay, there's other things that you're going to need in there to capitalize on the money structure. You're going to need a sales funnel, okay, and you're going to need a product in that sales funnel. And I made a video about how to create, how to promote your product in 2020. I will make sure that I have that down here in the bottom, so you guys can go check it out. I talked to you the differences about digital products, normal products, and stuff like that. Okay, I won't get deep into that because I made a video down below for you guys to watch on the more brain food videos that I have. Okay, but that's literally all it's going to take. I do have a little round light right here, as you can see. I bought it for $20 on Amazon. Okay, so if you want better lighting, this is a great touch, and I have a little stand. But for my first year, or from my first 2 years, I literally just shot videos from my phone. And even the best online marketers to this day literally do handheld videos and make millions and millions. Okay, they just do it. So it doesn't take much. Literally, you have everything you need already. Okay, now the next part of this, once you got the video and you already have the camera, because you're probably on a phone right now. But what do I talk about in my YouTube or on my YouTube channel? Okay, now this one is a little more important than the equipment. So the questions we got to ask ourselves is, what do I like to talk about? So if I am out with my friends, out with my buddies, out with my family, what is it that I naturally want to bring up into conversation that I talk about? Because that's what you should make your YouTube channel about. Okay, also what you are good at already. Okay, because if you're a master, if you've put in your 10,000 hours of mastery and developing and learning skills on everything, then you can talk about it for a while and you may enjoy it as well. So first of all, we need to be either an expert or we just need to enjoy talking about it and learning about that subject, and then that's what we can create our YouTube channel about. Like my girlfriend loves makeup and nails and hair like most girls do, so her channel is about, you know, makeup, you know, and I gotta do makeup tutorials because that's what she loves to do and learn more about. So find out what you like and what you can talk about and make that your YouTube channel, okay? As long as it's congruent with your sales funnel and your product that you have, because that's going to be a big factor. So if you're talking about, you don't want to be talking about makeup and then come over here and sell somebody food, okay? They need to be kind of congruent with that. Like you guys know, on my page, you get the 15-day business blueprint challenge where you can go through the 15 days, and if you take them serious and pay attention and take action, those 3 variables, all right, you can have an entire blueprint of a business that you can launch after that 15 days that can start generating sales, leads, commissions, and you can ultimately change your life in the long run. But that's just what I sell, so that's why I make videos about how to do that exact thing, okay? So it's congruent with that, okay? So how do I earn money when I make my YouTube channel? Everybody thinks they get paid for the amount of subscribers that they have or for their ads that just pop up on there. That is not entirely true. The people that make big money online are not getting paid from the ads. If those, you see those people that have thousands of subscribers and they have some ads on there, if they don't have a sales funnel and a product, they are not making much money at all, okay? Because the people that put ads on your videos pay you pennies, bro. Pennies. They already have their own ads and their own sales funnel set up on that ad. That's why they make money off of your views, off of your eyeballs that come to your page, okay? The money goes where attention flows. So wherever the eyeballs are, the money is, okay? If you have lots of views or lots of posts on that, they're trying to get those people's attention into their sales funnel to buy their product. So the ads are making money, the YouTuber is not, okay? So make sure you have a sales funnel and a product set up. If you guys don't know what that is, I have the videos down there below. What is a sales funnel? So make sure you guys watch that video too, that's in the back. But that's a very important piece to creating lots of wealth or money online, okay? Because building your YouTube channel, we're doing this so we don't have to go to work and that place that we hate all the damn time, right? With the people we don't like, to buy things that we don't want, to impress people we don't like, okay? I'm not about that. I'm here to do me, do my thing, and do it well, okay? So make sure that you guys go and do that, okay? Now, posting my first video. So are you ready to post your first video? After you got these things in place, you're ready to go, okay? We need to do keyword research. I'm making this video because people are already looking for it. YouTube is like a big fishing net. Facebook is like a sniper rifle, okay? And YouTube, people are searching for stuff and you just catch them in your net as they come in with keyword research, okay? Go to keywordseverywhere.com. Download that free program into your laptop, because when you go to Google search things, they'll tell you what people are looking for, so you have a way to create content. If you need to find out like, what should I talk about? How should I talk about it? You do research, then make the videos about that topic so you can get eyeballs on your videos, okay? Super easy, okay? Attach the funnel to it after the video's done, and you want to structure your videos, okay? A great way to structure a video is you have a hook or opening line, like how to get started on YouTube, okay? Boom. Then you're gonna hit them with a story, all right? When I didn't tell you guys my story. When I first started, I didn't start on YouTube, okay? I started on Facebook. If you go to Get Your Brain Food, I have the link down there for Facebook, but Get Your Brain Food is my Facebook page, and I have hundreds and hundreds of videos on there. I made a video a day for over a year and a half, but no one can see it, because once I post, unless I'm paying Facebook to keep my my engagement up and my Facebook across where people can see it, it's going to drop below the newsfeed in 24 hours. But you can have evergreen content on YouTube, which means it lasts forever. So if I make a YouTube video, I rank it right, it's going to continually get views for the rest of my life, and I don't have to pay to get those views. Okay? So YouTube is by far the best place to start, especially if you're doing videos. Okay? If you want the full blueprint on how to build your business online from the realest of the real, the people that give it to you straight, because you're an action taker, go-getter, or you wouldn't be on this end of this video, wouldn't be watching this far. If you're ready to get started, you want to partner up with me, that'd be awesome. Go to coltonhavens.com/welcome. You're going to get that 15-day business blueprint challenge, but we will be working together. I can help you in certain situations and areas. But what are you guys struggling with in your business right now? Let me know below so I can, in the comments, so I can build a video specifically to help you and just help you build more business. Because when you win, I win. Okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, my friend, because I'm going to be coming more and more frequent with these awesome videos to help you take control of your life. Okay? Pick up a book, because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I got the best online books down there below as well. Just make sure you keep reading. If we don't have what we want, we don't know enough things yet. Get educated. I love y'all. Peace.